Cali Beach is a multi-dimensional venue that operates both day and night all throughout the year. It's got multiple restaurants, beach volleyball courts, an outdoor cinema area, but it's a place for all kinds of demographics to come, whether you're looking to enjoy a massive DJ or you're wanting to have a quiet afternoon up on the deck eating some Japanese food and having a cocktail. Modern venues today are a lot different to the way that they used to operate previously, in that we have an array of kind of audio-visual stimulation. Now, the audio's always been there, but the visual stimulation is what's changed most. So you look around now in venues and you've got LED screens. We've got a number of them throughout the venue. The technical demands for screens at Cali are obviously different to what you would have inside an ordinary venue. Most venues are indoors. Most venues don't have extreme glare and direct exposure to sunlight, wind. We're not too far from the ocean here as well. So the demands that we have here are unique to the situation, and those are the demands that we talked about with Prestige and ULA to make sure that we had the right type of screen for the right type of environment here, so that whether or not it's a sunny 35-degree day, or whether it's a cold 10-degree night, or a cloudy day, or it's raining, no matter what the circumstances are, that the screens are able to adjust to those circumstances and the customers are able to enjoy them with the exact same experience.
We've got a couple of different series of VuePix screen here. The MV series that we've got the big cinema screen and the other one on the pool bar. So they need to be very strong and IP rated, and the VuePix range has been proven across Australia and New Zealand and around the world, in fact, as being one of the top tier screens for outdoor use. So that was a big tick here to make sure these products were going to last in the weather. Obviously performing, so for DJs having visuals bright enough in sunlight, all that sort of stuff, that was other key factors as well. But the biggest thing for me as an installer was reliability. I just wanted the screens to not have to worry about them, turn them on and be done with it. The content for all the screens is triggered off an Chaos media server. It's set up at the moment with various outputs, so whether it's a combination of one screen, all the screens, or maybe just the cabana screens. It's all basically pre-programmed in the iPad, and then the staff can just hit a button depending on what they want to do. We've had a long-running history with the VuePix product. It's been very reliable, as well as the local support from ULA, warranty being here in Australia, local repair centres here in Australia. It just gives everyone in the food chain that peace of mind to know that you've got that support locally for the product.
VuePix is a product that ULA manufactures in conjunction with our partners over in Shenzhen, and we export in over 100 countries. With venues like this, install partners like Prestige will sit down with us with the plans and we'll map out the project together as a manufacturer. And so we want to make sure that from the design stage through to the commissioning, that everything is done as what we call a factory standard. And the team at Prestige are trained in every element of the product, and I believe that together we've chosen the perfect product for the application.
So we've got 6 of the DJ Power H72D smoke machines here. They're a dual pump smoke machine, so basically they just give a really big puff of smoke and then it dissipates really quickly. And we've also got 6 flame machines installed that are triggered to run at various times with either a manual or as part of a show that we've programmed in. The lighting here, we've got 12 of the Acme 380 IP, or CTIS as you can call them now, IP rated beam fixtures. They're doing a combination of show effects as well as some light up in the sky for that searchlight sort of look. And on top of that, we've got 32 of the Acme BL100s. They're the IP rated, and they're just doing a general wash of various areas around the place.
It was absolutely essential to us that we brought the same quality and the same uniqueness to the experience you can get from the interaction of things like a VuePix screen to a flame projection cannon to the JBL sound system. All working together is what actually creates the entire energy that people feel when they come to Cali Beach.